The 2023 Husqvarna FC450 Rockstar Edition is the most competition-focused machine in Husqvarna Motorcycles motocross lineup. The exciting model is closely based on the Rockstar Energy Husqvarna factory racing machines set to compete in the 2023 AMA Supercross season, and is enhanced for racing with specifically chosen and race-tested technical accessories. Features: Rockstar Energy Husqvarna Factory Racing Graphics. Factory racing wheels with EXCEL Takasago rims with black anodized hubs. FMF Racing Factory 4.1 silencers. Hydroformed. Chromium-molybdenum steel frame. Easy shift system to open gaps of the field. Hybrid aluminum-polyamide construction of the frame. Choose multifunction maps to get traction control, launch control and easy shift. Factory a triple clamp with adjustable offset. Lock Forcella Factory for departure. Soft OD grips provide comfort and control. Guts Racing high grip seat covers. ProTaper handlebar complete with protection. Electric start powered by a 2.0Ah lithium-ion battery.